You want to draw a watermelon and how to add a watermelon in your portfolio on Behance. If you just want to add illustration, it will be pretty boring. I want to create a packaging design with watermelon. And now you see my design, but without mockups, it's really pretty boring. And with help of mockups, we can show our customer how their design will be look in real life. And of course, I will show you my Behance project. You can find that project below this video. And of course, in that video, you will see my project. And if you're interested how to create a watermelon, a packaging design, and to add it to mockups and create Behance project, then keep watching. Let's start from creating a watermelon. This is the size of my workspace and these are colors which I'm going to use in my tutorial. And now let's start. My workspace is ready and my colors are already in the swatches panel. Let's take orange color and polygon tool and press in any place. We need here 3 sides. Okay. And now let's make it a little bigger like this. Okay, now let's take curvature tool, add point here and move down to round the side. Okay, it's ready. Copy and paste this shape twice. So one of the copy move a little up, select both copies, Pathfinder, minus front. Okay, and take green color. Okay, now direct section tool, select that corner and round the corner. Now select this one and that one and round corners. Okay, now select red shape and take smooth tool and smooth the shape to make it a little unperfect. Okay, now let's take light color and brush tool with that option and draw here the line like this. Now we need brown color and without stroke, only brown color. And take ellipse tool, draw the ellipse, direct selection tool, move that point here and that one in that place to make it a little unperfect. Okay, now light color, the same, draw the ellipse and move points with help of direct selection tool to make it unperfect. Okay, now select both shapes, make them smaller, for example, like this, group them, Ctrl G, and make copies. You need to hold Alt to make copies. You can make these shapes bigger or small or smaller as you like. As you see, it's your design vision. And rotate it like this. Okay, the shape is ready. Now we can move on. Now object, expand appearance and group the shape. Okay, it's ready for the packaging. Now let's add new artboard and let's a little squeeze artboard and make it long. I want my packaging will be like this. And now guys, I want to invite you to my Telegram channel. You can find there a lot of useful posts about graphic design, about selling your designs on stock such as Adobe stock or Shutterstock, and of course about my tutorials. You can watch all designs a little closer. So please subscribe to my Telegram channel. If you want, you can come to my Instagram channel where I'm showing my life in Montenegro in a small town, Herceg Novi, but my Instagram in Russian. So if you want to come to see a Russian girl and her Instagram, and of course I'm showing not only my life in Montenegro and as well a graphic design, come to my Instagram channel. Now we need pink color for the background. I want to make pink color because I think with watermelon it looks pretty good. And now take rectangle tool make the rectangle. Now align it. Okay. And now with help of text tool, you need to add your text. Let it be for now unperfect. You need just to know what text will be on your packaging. It will be the name of the company, the name of the product, their advantages of the product. And how do you know what to write? If it will be a real project, then customer should give you the text. In my case, I write text by myself using real life packaging. For example, you can find it on Pinterest. And now we need to choose the fonts for our design. And here you see my logotype. It's Beauty and You, and I think it's pretty good name for my brand. And now you need to think about the information, the headings, subheadings, and the main information, the size of the text, and where you need to put your text to your buyer can understand what product you sell. I use in my packaging two fonts. The first font is Mozart. You will find that font below this video. And of course, you can see how I put my information now for my design packaging. And all this information from the real products, from the real body wash products. Okay, and for shower gel, I decided I want to use retro font because I think my colors have retro vibe, and I think here pretty good will be some retro font. For example, this one, and you will find this font below this video. I want to move the gel below the shower and align it, and the space between the strokes make smaller. Rotate my green, okay, like green in my watermelon. And now you can put your design. All this, the main is the text. If you has text on your design, you always need to know the text is the main, but the design, the illustration is make your design more powerful and more understandable. Now let's add logotype. I want to make it pretty easy, BY, and let's create outlines. Let's make it white, ungroup, and let's add pink stroke. Let's add pink color here and add pink stroke. The size can be, for example, 5, or I think better maybe 3. And move that letter here. Okay, it's my logotype for Beauty and You. Okay, group it, put in that place, make it a little bigger. Now let's add white color for the Beauty and You. Make the size between letters -50, create outlines, align. Okay, let's move on. Align the text and logotype. Shower gel, I think here it's good. Body wash, let's create outlines, then you're sure that you create all text right. You can create outlines, but my advice to save both with outlines and without outlines. Okay, now let's add the color here. At first, let's add the white rectangle, bring the body wash to front, put the white rectangle here and make, for example, maybe not white, you can make it with that milky color. You can add white color or milky color as you like. I think it's pretty good with both colors. And green color for the body wash. Now around the sides with help of direct selection tool, you can put your watermelon, for example, below their logotype and or near logotype as you like. I try to make and with that way and with other way, so you can use your design vision. For example, let it be like that. Okay, rotate, put in that place. Now let's fix here the text and the size. Okay, don't forget about the air around the text and the elements. Add the colors. Okay, I think now it's pretty cool. And now let's move here the text a little. For women you can make it smaller, and the whole shape of that text you need to make, or you may to make smaller. Okay, now let's add red color to the color box and create rectangle with the text, with that color, and put in that place. Watermelon, you need to make light color like that, but at first round the corners here. Now watermelon with light color. Okay, make it smaller. Okay, and now it's almost ready. You can group that shape and align it. Okay, and delete the pink color. Now let's take red color and ellipse tool and make the list here. It's pretty cool for your buyers to understand what they get for their money. Okay, now copy and paste background and bring it to front, select the whole design and make clipping mask. Okay, and the packaging is ready. Now you need to put your design on the mockups. I'm using here Nana Banana to create mockups, and how to create mockups with help of Nana Banana you will find in that my tutorial. And now let's go to my Behance. Now we are on my Behance, and here you will find as well 2 projects from my short tutorials on YouTube with ice cream and with the little fish. And now we talk about watermelon shower gel packaging design. Let's look at it. And here you see my Behance project. I add here GIF illustrations, my design, mockups, as well here GIF illustration and some text. It's pretty easy, but it's stylish. If you want to see my project, you can find the link below this video. And I will be glad if you give me a like and write some comments below. Well guys, that's all for today. Hope you like my tutorial. If yes, give me a like and subscribe. And I want to hear your comments about my project. How do you like my packaging design and my Behance project? And if you want, you can share your Behance projects below this video. And I will take a look on your projects and of course give you a like. And if you like my project, give me a like and subscribe. And below this video you will find my Behance projects. And see you in the next videos on my channel.